Do you know that your email and password could already be in a hacker's hand? In this video, I am going to show you exactly how hackers search leaked database to find your email, password, and other sensitive data using legal free tool. Stay tuned, this might be the most important video you will watch today. What is a data breach? A data breach happens when hackers steal user data from a website, like email, password, phone number, and more. This data is obtained, leaked online, or sold on the dark web. Cybersecurity professionals use OSINT open source intelligence tools to find if a user data is part of a known leak. Check if your email is leaked using HaveIBeenPwned. Go to HaveIBeenPwned.com. Type any email address you want to check. If it is been part of a breach, it will show you the breach name and what data was exposed. This tool is completely free, trusted, and legal. Find more detail using the hash. Visit thehash.com. Register for a free account. Type an email, username, or phone number. The hash will show you previews of the data like password, phone number, address, etc. The full data may require a subscription, but even previews can be revealing. Use Intelligence X. Visit intelligencex.io. Type the email address. You can see leaked credential hashes and where they came from. Use advanced Google search to find data indexed online. Example, site HaveIBeenPwned, index column gmail.com password. Warning: do not use this for illegal activity. This is to show how easily leaked data can be found if not removed. How to protect yourself. Use a strong, unique password for each account. Enable two-factor authentication. Use a trusted password manager. Regularly check your email on HaveIBeenPwned.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Drop a comment below if you want more powerful OSINT tutorial. Stay safe online. Disclaimer: this tutorial is for educational purpose only. Do not use this information to harm others or invade privacy. Ethical hacking is about protection, not exploitation.